Good evening everybody, hope you've had a lovely day today. It is Saturday 23rd, I think I got that right. It's the day after yesterday when I got the date wrong. Well, and it's another short one, it's the weekend, so I'm busy doing lots and lots of things. Today has been a really busy one. This morning we went to the Movement for a Better Birth, or whatever it was called, I can't remember now. Anyway, that was a really good course. Taught me a lot that I didn't really know, and got to actually practice some things. Some things that I've, well, you can see now, I did with Jenny, just a practice thing to help loosen up her ligaments and everything. If you're interested, I will do another video and we can talk about it more. If anybody is interested, it's really, I think, really well. I'm glad I went because it allows me to get more involved in the pregnancy and everything, which is really interesting. So Jenny's just sort of my dinner out. Because up till now, I haven't felt that involved, apart from just helping out generally. It's one of those things, I have 2 children already, so I'm used to the looking after children because the stepfathers. And they are very much my kids. But I've never had a baby, so this is going to be quite a wild ride. So, and you guys are going to be there with me for a lot of it. So yeah, that was this morning. That's a 2-hour or so, 2.5-hour course. And it's nice to meet other people. One of the guys from the climbing club I used to go to was there, and it's nice to see him again. A guy called Chris. He's and his wife or partner is a birth professional like Jenny, so they already knew each other. That was very random. Anyway, well worth going to one of those courses. Any of these sort of courses that will get you as a father more involved in the pregnancies. It's definitely something I'd recommend. It makes me feel more connected to it. So, and then this afternoon, come back, just in sorting things out around the house. I've installed. We've put some CCTV cameras in. So in the back garden, sort of one to go across, one to see out down the garden, one down the side of the house. I'm going to stick one at the front of the house as well, sort of covering the front door, which I can sort of link up with also the doorbell, so we have parcels delivered and stuff. So that is part set up now. That is working. There's some, well, have a look now. This is how I got on. It's only a little bit. Yes, I'm fully aware our garden needs sorting out. Don't do this! So what I'm currently doing is putting the wall plugs in. I need a hammer for... So the mounting ones putting in. The reason I use the screwdriver is to stop the hammer hitting the wall, because obviously that's going to make a big mess. You're not going to have a good day. Got it. Right, so this one's hanging out the wall at the minute. The reason I've not tightened it up fully is I need to actually get the camera fully set up on it and then put it into the wall, because that plants the cable tight and holds it in. Annoyingly, it doesn't really need that because there's any power going to that. I'm using it on Wi-Fi. Here's what it is though. I've decided we're having one in this corner, which is going to look over the garden that way, one looking up the garden, one looking on the side of the house, and then one at the front. If you do set up your own, do check with your neighbours and do inform them of what you're doing, and if they have any objections, just don't put them up, because so that is the initial bit done. I've got some cables to put in, but they can be done later.
It'll do. God, this house is a mess. We've got a lot of work to do before this baby arrives. Anyway, this is half a job done. I shall now get the cabling done and find them, and then do the rest of the jobs. I've got quite a few to do. Very well put up for it on. Jesus. Well, that makes life easier. Live, neutral, earth. If you don't understand what that is, please do not try this. Probably not. To find some shorter cables soon. These are quite long. So there's to test it works though. So I plugged it in. It didn't work. I'm just checking I actually plugged it in right. That'd be really embarrassing if it wasn't, wouldn't it?
With that, I didn't really feel much of it. I need to get better. I used to be really good at this actual vlogging of my day, you know, the things I did. That was some footage from, you know, 3 years ago when I was in the habit of just filming everything all the time. And I managed to get all the little bits and you'd be able to sort of see the full story of what it is, whereas now I just forget. So sorry about that. I will try and get better at it. Yeah, and that's my Saturday really. I'm going to watch a film in a minute. I've decided I'm going to edit this while watching a film. I'm going to find something new to watch that I've not seen before, so I can do a review. Oh, back now. A couple of episodes of a TV series, so I can edit this, just cut out the fluff, or maybe not even do that. Cut it so I can stick those bits I recorded earlier in. And yeah, more tomorrow. Tomorrow I've got to go to the garage. I've got to hopefully fly my drone if the weather's nice, and generally just get some more stuff done around here. So it's an exciting vlog at the minute, isn't it? Anyway, thank you for watching. If you do have any questions about being a father in a pregnancy, and you want to get more involved in the birth, send them over, and we'll try and start a discussion. And actually, any questions, Jenny might be able to help something if you're interested in getting a perspective from an actual birth professional. Maybe we can get her on do a guest vlog where we do a ask me anything type thing. So leave some questions. If I can get 5 or 6 questions, then I will actually get her to do a vlog. So that'd be quite interesting. Again though, leave anything down in the doobly-doo in the comments below, and I will go from there really. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. See you tomorrow. Remember to like and subscribe, share this, all the other call to action things that I've really got to get better at doing. So anyway, thank you very much. Bye.
There's an issue here. Jenny can watch TV, I can't.
I was just thinking I get to watch a car program. Get my hips aligned. All good.
And I get a workout.